Welcome to this week's Talent Tuesday with myself and Marie Louise of Marie Louise Art. I thought I'd show you a little preview of what's to come, and I thought these all turned out looking like ice flowers. Welcome to Kim's Art Alchemy. I have mixed up 4 ounces of resin. I let it sit till it got to 92 degrees, and then I decanted 30 grams into the cup that's on my right and 20 grams in the cup that's on my left. And I am going to do a 3D bloom, but with pigment paste and pigment powders, or mica powders. And my mica powder is by TLP, this little piggy. And the pigment paste is Julie's bloom paste. And I will show you both of those here in just a second. So yeah, I let my resin just get to 92. Done it mostly at 95, most of my blooms, and I found that 92 degrees just works better for me. And the resin that I'm using is just Let's Resin's regular epoxy resin. It's a 1-to-1. I'm just gonna go around and make sure that that resin is pushed in to all the places it needs to get to. As I said, Julie's bloom paste. I have 30 grams, so 3 drops. Whoa, I think that was like 2 and 3. All right, I'm happy with that. Now, I'm gonna use TLP in Billabong. It's beautiful blue-green. This is exciting. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that water. All right, I'm gonna just do a little bit at first. Maybe that much. Mica powder goes a really long way in resin. So again, that was TLP Billabong and Julie's bloom paste. I'm also going to put alcohol ink in the center by Ranger. This one's Cobalt. Gosh, look at that. Beautiful color. As soon as you put that alcohol ink, no more torching your stuff, because, you know, alcohol. So while that's doing its thing, I mean, you can after you wait a little bit of time and the alcohol has a chance to disperse, then you can torch, but do not torch for the first little while. Let's get the next one ready. I'm gonna wind this up, and I'm gonna cut about up to there off, like that. Okay, I had a plan. What was my plan? Okay, I'm gonna do semicircles. So I'll do a round one here, and then think we're good there. All right, now I'm gonna get my stick here. So before I add my Billabong, I want to make sure that I don't have blobbies in here. Big bubble in this one. Okay. God, what a glorious color. Okay, so I want to go I can barely see the petals because they're blooming so nicely. What am I going to do here with these? I think that's good. Now we've got to deblob these guys. And now we wait and see. We're back. Let's see how these fared. Hopefully, they're good. Oh, on the count of 3. As you can see, I put a backing on. 1, 2, 3. Oh, they're pretty. Oh, they're very pretty. My pigment powder was a tad heavy, just a tad heavy. But look how cute that is. Wow. That is really good. I love that. Huh. In this case, the little blobs actually helped create a more 3D effect. That is really cool. I like that one. And then this is the other one. My white pigment paste bloomed very nicely. Yeah, this one's really cool too. It got a little messy through here though. And a little bit over through here as well. But still very pretty. All right, let me know what you think of these two. Which ones are your favorites? This one or this one? Left or right? Right, left. Let me know. Thank you all for being here. Welcome to my new subscribers. Welcome to the subscribers who have returned. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscription button. Give me a thumbs up if you think I've earned it. And I will catch you on the next video. Bye for now.